The Eurofighter Typhoon program has traditionally been a collaborative effort among partner countries, in which Germany played a significant role, but it maintained a low-profile campaign in India under the leadership of Germany. But now the United Kingdom is emerging as a potential leader to spearhead the campaign in India for the MRFA competition. The Eurofighter Typhoon Tranche 4 has been offered at 35% reduced cost, with transfer of technology for many of the aircraft core technologies, as well as shifting the production line from Europe to India, so that India can cater to existing operators of the Eurofighter Typhoon. The first Apache helicopter for the Indian Army has started taking shape. The first fuselage built by the Tata-Boeing joint venture in Hyderabad has arrived at Mesa, Arizona, where it will be assembled. Officials have said that 6 Apache helicopters on order for the Indian Army will be delivered in 2024. The Netra MK2 airborne early warning and control system has started testing of secondary sensor, marking a critical phase in its developmental trajectory. The 6 Netra MK2 will be based on ex-Air India Airbus A321 platforms that will undergo significant modifications to accommodate the indigenous AESA radar system, and will be ready for induction from 2026 onwards. The Indian Navy has decided to collaborate with the DRDO's Center for Airborne Systems to develop an indigenous medium-class maritime patrol aircraft that will supplement the existing fleet of 12 Boeing P-8 maritime aircraft. The Center for Airborne Systems is already working to meet the multi-mode maritime aircraft requirements of the Indian Coast Guard based on the Airbus C-295 platform, and it will serve as a precursor to the more specialized medium-class maritime patrol aircraft that will reduce developmental lead times using proven technologies. Kalvari Strategic Systems Limited has confirmed that the request for quotation has been submitted to the Ministry of Defence for the procurement of 307 ATAGS, and the Defence Ministry will finalize the agreement within the next 6 months, potentially paving the way for a contract signing in early 2024. Kalvari has also delivered an undisclosed number of ATAGS units to Armenia last week. Indian officials are currently evaluating the 2 competing bids to build 6 advanced conventional submarines under Project 75I, that includes bid by Germany's ThyssenKrupp and Mazagon Dock shipbuilders, while the other bid by Spain's Navantia and Larsen and Toubro. Officials have said that the Indian Navy will go with the offer that includes the best and largest transfer of technology. The Indian Army's Design Bureau has made significant strides in reverse engineering for battle tanks like the T-90 and T-72, that includes tank engines, hydraulic systems, track assemblies and several filters. About 50 vital items from these tanks are currently under consideration for reverse engineering that will ensure operational efficiency and reliability. Mazagon Dock Shipbuilders has embarked on a significant process to indigenize and locally produce over 8,000 components of the Kalvari-class submarines within the country. Mazagon Dock Shipbuilders will build 3 more Kalvari-class submarines for the Indian Navy with higher indigenous content, and keeping in mind that the upcoming 12 indigenous submarine under Project 76 will also draw technologies and expertise from the Kalvari program. This strategic indigenization move will ensure the availability of critical components and exercise greater control over the design, production and maintenance.
Omar dropped it.